Welcome to the Grammar Workshop. Today we are going to be learning about predicate nouns. A predicate noun is a type of subject complement that follows a linking verb. Predicate nouns describe the subject of the sentence. A predicate noun follows a linking verb and renames or identifies the subject of the sentence. Now, let's look at some examples. The first example is, the fluffy dog in the backyard is a poodle. First, we must identify our subject of the sentence. The subject in this sentence is dog. So we'll underline dog and label it S for subject. Now we have to identify our linking verb. In this sentence, the linking verb is. So we'll double underline is and label it linking verb. Next, we have to determine what the dog is. The dog is a poodle. So we draw a box around poodle and label it PN for predicate noun. Let's look at the next example. Violet has always been my favorite color. Well, first we must determine what the subject is. The subject of this sentence is Violet. Let's underline Violet. Now we have a verb phrase. The verb phrase in the sentence is has been. Now we have to ask ourselves, what has Violet been? Violet has been my favorite color. In this sentence, the predicate noun is color. Let's move on to the next example. The quiche tastes cheesy and delicious. Well, we know that the subject of the sentence is quiche, and that the linking verb in the sentence is tastes. But in this sentence, we have not only one, but two predicate nouns. The quiche tastes both cheesy and delicious. These are both predicate nouns. Let's look at our final example. Two members of my book club are Lee and Allie. Well, in this sentence, the subject is members. The verb is are. So let's double underline are. And now we have to ask ourselves, what are the two members of my book club, or whom are the two members of my book club? The two members of my book club are Lee and Allie. These are both predicate nouns. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned a lot in this grammar workshop.